How to delete your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, in order to delete your TikTok account, you have to launch your TikTok app. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific TikTok account and tap onto your profile. Don't tap on three bar icon, select settings and privacy. In here, you have to tap on account. Just as it is so, at the below section, you will see deactivate or delete account. Tap it. And likewise, deleting and deactivating your account are two different things. Deactivating your account is temporary, whereas deleting your account is permanent. So tap on the second button. Give it any reason that you would like, tap continue. Now, if you would like to request your TikTok data, you may go ahead and do so by tapping on this red button. If not, check this, tap continue. And just like so, this is how you can delete your TikTok account. So, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.